Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to check application compatibility with your iPhone in App Store. Let's open App Store and search for the application that you're interested in. You want to tap on it to open its details. And now let's scroll down to the information section. Here it is. And you will see here compatibility row. And if you tap this down arrow icon, you will see exact software requirements. For example, for iPhone, this application requires iOS 17 or later. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.